Ebusuya obekaya 3 or 4 days ago any ebe social media say NDC for twa ntro say John Dramani Mahama Ghana man panini esa de pa Kwesi Nduom PPP eyo mo leader no a GM man Ghana there was so the license na man biom me ne woka say PPP pa Kwesi Nduom ono ankasa secretary akopiem onwa ti yo kire say saa asem ne social media no eyo ntro ye nada ebusuya ye hwe video no embra
the PPP mo da social ho de
oh yeah yeah pa
Baba Kwesi Nduom da social
Papa Kwesi Nduom
is it matters when you license in the back? Ti obeshe dwuma so with GN Bank.
No, story in accurate.
And yeah, accurate.
And true reflection of what is happening on the ground.
Okay.
Licensing community koso. Extra kwa befa so am restore.
Okay.
But where it is right now, and it say, don't him say, time why you revoke licenses of all the banks, no. Some of the owners, the CEOs, the management, are buying a take you on at your more courts.
Okay.
For either misappropriation, mismanagement, financial, whatever. But in the case of GN, Dr. Nduom, you have court. Or no, they are buying mum a court. At the first ruling, a buy. It's a buy, you know, there is a Bank of Ghana. I say we revoke and a court energy to say Bank of Ghana onion from Swan we revoke license.
Okay.
Subsequently, no GN and Dr. Nduom a court of appeal. Say our boss also because the High Court in the car, no.
Now we're
to it's me no case say case no. Our court and a legal vacation so
okay.
It's in a dia even pono say president and as a BOJ and obi pop free payment pop say on for license no and on restore license na so court case in into credit you know it's not possible say you be to me I restore
and to no credit said the who social media and say ninsa can the license
all right ebusuya me say social media na ye won no kure no e kakra bi na entro no doso eno nti na yekoto aba atorofo no 56% a omadwen wo fom wo man we mu no koto aba ko John Dramani Mahama ende obu o man no te said ye o run on nkasa ne business a atete apansam no won say maka kire wo say se wadwen we no amfa anya adwuma de bia na manfo de wadwen be di agro on be ka kire mu no ni gi me say na ma celebrity obi ani beji because ye pese pa Kwesi Nduom le dwan back but the question is memma obi emfa ntro embe followers any likes in free wo so be can say more kona koye won research as no ba be comment section ase ahanom de e no kra no kwa na de adwuma facts ne kwa yemfa ntro ne dada enya adwuma wa ha it is still possible meaning the promise ebusuya me say believe NDC at your own risks. Believe NDC at your own risks. Me ba be catch you say NDC party no eye party bia omodi atro ene ndada ene yo modwuma eno nti so we Ghana ni na uji NDC dia the probability say when ubenu at the end of the day no e wa high so we share video ya me bo chire we ya ye wo hanom 3-4 days ago ene hu say write up be any picture be circulate media no to say ye papa pa Kwesi Nduom first no was CP and what in the party PPP GM man Ghana dia no John Dramani Mahama I restore the licenses beka kire mo say enya no kre da but beka na mo den na mo di ne pa chi ni na mo feel say bi ya inim de ye kan na se bibisa but you ask ne wo no ye no answer ba beka sa no inim what we've seen the research you've made to find out so the eba can't show una would say no 100% truth 100% truth and nothing but the truth. So when I chanced on that video, I was like, bro, this is lie, this is a lie. And so do you know what happened? That particular video was when the man went to President Mahama to present his document to him. So on show muna on consider non suffer lines is never back. That is when they took those videos and those pictures. That is when they took those pictures and those videos. Some no fa omucha sa infoni no. Any video no. And that was some I think 3, 4, 5 months ago, more baby. I'm not really sure, but some for I think from February, March this year, Mubano baby. What I say? And I did so thing no, it happening here. But because of lies and propaganda from the NDC, look at what they wanted to do. So imagine saying, "Can you panama bekasa?" Na come transact the Ghana phone na say John Dramani Mahama restore GM bank licenses. Ama nkawan phone ni aji. Whilst it is not true. Whilst it is not true. And these are the things that I've been talking about. These are the things I've been talking about. Like people in this country always lying. Always lying in the name of political what did I say? You know, you should be very serious, guys. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Ghana Man Penini, Minister of Finance, Ato Folsen, Minister of Health, Kwabena Minta Akando, and our Minister for Education, Helena Idrusu, Menemo, Ewon Komo. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Obekai 2024, during campaign, no, Okache teacher for the nurses for say, Omuntu Abamba na Somo Ba, we make sure say, Omo ya for mo Juma Muni Ninano, Ubetuo Muka, Ama, Omon su school Omo Koya, Omo some person Omo Suma in Ghana. No much them collab the number to say, wo Mr. President, wo Minister for Finance, Minister for Education, Minister for Health, no. Ombe to say mono, umbe tuya mo kama mama ba, chitam kola mama ba to say mo. Nurses, no midwives sir. Omo a hospital la say nnuanom ana yanka say yare a, ye be kwa mama bua, na ma gi yen na ma hwe yan ma ye ho atoye no. Say ekomo di no a, obeye den na wetimi ama enya sympathy mpa ma patient na odampa no so no na wetimi treat ni ye. Eno ti na pempe be kwa hospital. Na nurse ne to na bu afu enya se ne bu na afu ekomo di ne fisef na opon didi ye ekomo di no because of the edanka ekomo di ne because ne fere to no ekomo di ne because baby otene like bi empon timi ntua insuo ontimi ntua ebimu bobosia obi akọ school we ma me ahwe no from nursery kindergarten primary JHS SHS akọ nursing training na wie aye national service am ya posting no for 1 good year 10 months 9 months na so onjia kutono da to discount ma me hono mo a na mfa so ba na so na ma me dey go school. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama munjai se mo politicizing ni ama na mo clearance no aban na ofa no wa ma mo clearance jai se ansem na wo kan because Ghana ha no mo bia nim se ansem na be fa obi no e was our teachers and nurses ni sa we no finance minister na minister of finance e my clearance ansana ya be fa o munti no say ye let an ka ba bonti ya you can see have clearance for number of so people I have employ into a kind of saying Ghana Education Service and Ministry of Health and Bakoye Juma as nurses and teachers. I don't see some now more than a munjaika. Now even Pono Sanke, I'm clearance a crana. About saying that the same number of people near form the same day, no, if munya clearance, they munya clearance. It doesn't make sense, right? Now, put everything aside. You are the government in power. Fix the damn thing and pay them now. That is why we voted for you. You were the president, the person I'll come home. You promised them, say, Oba, you make them feel, say, you Ghana for. Today you are treating them as if, say, you are treating them as if they are slaves in their own country. You went to the United Nations, and I can say, the biggest, kind of saying, sin, before years, as slave trade. Now, what is happening here is a modern day slavery. You should pay them now and behave as the president that you are. They did not vote for you to come and laugh. You are enjoying with your people. You guys are receiving pays. You, the MPs, the ministers, all of you are receiving pays. Pay them now. They are also human beings like you. They can hold the position you guys are holding. Don't think you are human beings than them. You are not human beings than them. So pay them. Pay them. That is the reason why you are the president, the first gentleman of the land. All the powers are invested in you. So use those power and find a way to pay them. They are also human beings and they deserve better. Our nurses and teachers deserve better. Pay them and even increase their pays. Peace. Shalom. Bye-bye.